What's up guys, Tommy from AZ Motorsports here. Today we have a special project. We're doing a stage 2 on this Lamborghini Urus. We're gonna start by installing our AZM Catless Downpipes. We're removing these old dirty cats on this car. They don't need that. Let's take a closer look to the engine bay. We have one installed already, so you guys can have a closer look on what it looks like. It looks way cleaner. This car is gonna sound amazing, and it's gonna gain a shit ton of power. So we're excited to show you guys the results. Very excited to deliver it to our client, very special client. So let's see it, let's hear it.